Hello everyone, I'm Paul and today we're solving problem 1534, count good triplets. So we're given an array nums and we need to return the number of good triplets. And over here we have the conditions of a good triplet. So the first observation we can make is we need 3 pointers, and down here we have the constraints. And we know that array the length will never exceed 100. So this means that we can implement a triple for loop, and for every iteration we will check if we meet these conditions, and if we do we will add 1 to our result, and finally we will return the result, and that's it. So the time complexity for the solution will be big O of n cubed, and space complexity will be big O of 1, because we will only create our result variable and return that. So now let's go with the code and hopefully you will get the idea. First we'll say n equals length of the array and result is 0. Now we want to iterate with our 3 pointers with the triple for loop. So for I in range n, for j in range I plus 1 n, and for k in range j plus 1 n. Here we want to check for the conditions to find if we have a good triplet. So if the absolute of array I minus array j is smaller or equal to a, and the absolute of array j minus array k is smaller or equal to b, and the absolute array I minus array k is smaller or equal to c. So if we meet the conditions, we want to add 1 to the result, and finally we return the result. This is the entire solution and I think it should work. Let's see what happens. Here I put a u instead of an I, so let's correct this and try again. And as you can see, this works. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.